At FunnelCake, we think marketing, sales, and customer success need to come together at last. To have one product where you can report on your metrics, your processes, and create visibility and accountability across your revenue operations. With FunnelCake, it's incredibly easy to see your leads and opportunities in a single view inside of a single product. Like here, where you can see MQLs are fully defined in the system. It's really easy to see your processes as well. You simply define them in FunnelCake, and based on how your team is using Salesforce, in this case, you'll see that this lead has been assigned for 15 hours and still hasn't had a touchpoint logged by the sales rep. But beyond just displaying your process data, FunnelCake gives you some advanced reporting on your historical performance from lead to revenue retention, as well as risks on your open leads and open pipeline. A great example of this is your sales cycle length. In this report, you're looking at all of the new business deals that your team has won in the last 12 months. And we can see the distribution of opportunity age when those deals were won. Here, you can see that 75% of deals are being won in less than 84 days. Really, you're getting to about 95% of the opportunities you're going to win in less than 4 months from creating the opportunity. This is a super powerful insight that can be used to identify where there is risk inside of your funnel due to your pipeline age and activity by your sales team. Here you can get an instant snapshot of how opportunities are moving through your funnel. You'll see in each stage there's a marker for how long recently won deals have spent in that stage before moving forward, as well as the longest amount of time a closed-won opportunity has ever spent in that stage before moving to the next stage of your funnel. And FunnelCake uses these metrics to create risk criteria based on your open pipeline. So you can see how many deals are on track because they've spent less time than the average one deal in their current stage, how many are moving slowly because they're older than the average but less than the extreme outlier, and how many of them are at risk for age because they're now older than the oldest deal your team has ever won. You can even identify risks from activity, like how many opportunities has the sales team not engaged with in the past 30 days, and how many have they never logged in activity with, which in this case is mostly a top of funnel handoff issue. One of the best parts of FunnelCake is that everything can be filtered in real time by standard and custom data inside of Salesforce. So in here, it's very easy to filter this data to look at just one or multiple sales reps and use this with sales management through your one-on-one conversations, because you can get an instant snapshot of how a sales rep's pipeline is aging, where their risks are due to lack of activity, and you get that full table view with one-click links directly into Salesforce to help make it easy for you to triage data. FunnelCake also sends out email reports to your sales team highlighting the issues in these different reports and asking them questions to keep them on top of your process. Like, have you engaged with all of your recent leads? Are you following up with all of your opportunities? Are the close dates correct? These actions lead to huge change in sales rep behavior. Instead of just providing a dashboarding system for your executive team, FunnelCake also enables your sales reps to act like a manager over themselves, empowering them to take the actions that are going to help them drive revenue, and this results in viral adoption across your sales organization. You'll have a single place to define and report on your metrics, a single place to define your processes and connect them to the way your team uses Salesforce today, and a place to make data visible and actionable for everybody on your team, so it's easy to hold people accountable and to make sure that your teams are on track towards revenue. Book your demo of FunnelCake today and learn how FunnelCake can help marketing, sales, and customer success come together at last.